Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Your viewing me means something to me, so I put out stuff so people can see it, and if you see it and like it, that's even better. So please, just let me know what you think or what you'd like to see. If you haven't seen something you like, I'm up for suggestions. I am open and willing to try new things. So today I'm doing a look with a palette that I got in my Boxy Premium, which is the Mercury's in Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty, or Huda Booty as I like to say. And this is what it looks like. It is beautiful and reflective, and lots of neutrals, lots of pops of color. And I have swatched more than half of this palette. I don't have enough room on my arm to swatch all 18 colors, but if you'd like to see what that looks like, you'll see it in just a bam. So it starts all the way here and it goes all the way to there where that silver is. And you can see there's lots of nudes and lots of, oh, look at that iridescence. Look at that shimmer and shift. That's beautiful. But that's really a lot. There's a lot more that I didn't swatch. But let's get to it. Let's do an eye look with this and see how it works on my face instead of in theory. Let's put it into practice. I'm going to start with this color here, which is Crash. I'm going to put that in my crease. And this is a lot more plum than I thought it was going to be. But it's really beautiful. And this palette, if you're interested in it and you didn't get it on sale, if you didn't get it in your box, you can get it on sale at Sephora. And it's about half price right now. Or it's been half price for a while. So, it's not the newest of palettes, but it's a gorgeous palette. And we'll see how it performs. Who doesn't love a good sale? That is much more plummy and dark than I anticipated, but that's okay. We've got all these other colors to brighten things up. So that was Crash. I keep wanting to think of the Dave Matthews Band, Crash. Crash into me. I don't know it well enough to sing it, but it's a pretty song. Because if I could sing it, I would totally sing it. I want to sing about the moon and the June and the spring. I want to sing about a sky of blue and T for two and I love you. That's from an old cartoon. Let's see. I think I want to go into this purple. Oh, that is not picking up at all. It might be the wrong kind of brush for this color. Oh, there it goes. It's showing up now. It's really pretty. I had to kind of dig in to get the payoff and build it up. What do you build me up, buttercup baby, just to bring me down when I'm not around? And worst of all, you never come, darling, when you say you will. I'm an enthusiastic singer, not a great singer, but I have fun. And that is very pretty. This is very muted for the colors. I thought it would be a lot more shiny and spectacular, but that doesn't mean we're done yet. We are not out for the count, my friends. I'm going to go into this beautiful shimmer and put it on my lid with my finger. And that's very pretty. And that shows up, but it's not showing up as much as I would like it to show up. So I'm going to dry off my fingertips. I would just clean them. And I'm going to go into this icy silver. Oh, that's much better. And the icy silver is called Supermoon. Let's get it more towards the middle so it blends in with that purple. Ooh, and that's really pretty. I'm starting to dig it. I need to put a little bit darker color in my outer crease. Just a little pop of color. I'm going to go for this dark purple color called Hot Mess. And build it up. That's working. I haven't done a purple look in a long time. Been a long, lonely, 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 lonely time. I think that looks great. Now I just need mascara and liner, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and liner, and it really pulls this look together. I'm very excited about it. And with this beautiful purple lip, I think I want to go neutral with it. I could do a purple lip with the purple look, but I think that would be just a little bit too much. So I'm going to go into my favorite nude, which is Seductress, number 65 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And that looks really beautiful. And I feel super cute and special. And I want to thank you guys for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of choice. And this has been the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. Bye.